Allora, ciao a tutti, siamo qui con Mattia, con Pietro, stiamo per far vedere un test del nuovo Soul della BTFL.
I met this young man just the other day. He set my world on fire in a special way.
Il Soul che è in questo momento Pietro, questo no, questo è il Cody, l'altro. Il Soul è estremamente fluido, guardate. Lo puoi usare anche come long se sei piccolino come lui. Yeah!
It was the first one night of spring and love was everywhere. I didn't think twice as I jumped into his ride. Street lights flashing by as I whispered in his ear. You can ride on cruise control. Lose your dread time soon to the old school song. Baby, close your eyes and kiss me. But you never lose control. She was so hot, couldn't keep my eyes on the road that she touched me. Baby, baby.
Smooth glide down the roadside underneath the starlit sky. I'm beside you.
Relax, sit back, enjoy the ride. I put it in overdrive.
I'm down to be mine. Baby, we can take this anywhere you wanna go.
Baby, tell me what you really like. There's no wrong or right. That's just what we'll do. Let me ease your body, baby, from head to toe. Gently moving closer, take it nice and slow. I couldn't resist such a sweet and tender kiss. Time stood still. It felt like a perfect paradise.
You can ride on cruise control. Lose your dread time soon to the old school song. Baby, close your eyes and kiss me.
And she made me lose control. She was so hot, couldn't keep my eyes on the road that she touched me. Baby, baby.
Allora siamo qui all'Onda di Legno, oggi faremo un piccolo test del BTFL Soul, vedremo un po' come va, anche se come ho detto è più un all round, quindi non è esattamente studiato per l'Onda di Legno, che è una struttura rapida, ma è più studiato per andare in cruising, all round, simulazione di surf. Intanto vediamo Jad come va col suo BTFL. Olè! Vai. Vediamo un po' come va il BTFL Soul, la nostra Good Wave Onda di Legno.
Coco. Coco.
Do you want
Do
me?
you want what? Do you want who? Coco. Do you want what?
baby.
Do you want who? Yeah.
Do you want my love?
Let 'em know, Coco.
Do you want my love?
What?
Can you make me sweat? Do you want it bad enough to take all you can get? Do you want my love? Show me just how much. Tell me, baby.
You know what I'm saying? Let 'em know, girl.
Baby, if you took my love, would you make the best of every moment? If it takes all night, baby, would it be alright? Would you like to spend the hours grooving
No doubt.
to the morning light? Love just comes if you let it. I'll be here to satisfy you. You look so good, I can't deny it. You're up to it, come and get it. Hold me tight. If you're ready, baby, give it up. Boy, it's time to show me how much. Do you want my
I
love?
don't want it, girl.
Can you make me sweat? Do you want it bad enough to take all you can get?
Say what?
Do you want my love?
Want who?
Show me just how much. Tell me, baby, yeah. Do you want my love? Can you handle my desires? Can you tell me what I'm thinking, baby? You read my mind, baby. Will you go the extra mile? Will you vow to hold me tight till we're right? Turn me on and on and on and on and on. Just comes if you let
time. But damn girl, you got me going crazy, cause you're so fine. And I hope I'm not offending you, cause all I'm really trying to do is find a friend in you. Do I want your love? You know the answer. Freak, freak on the beat, go, go dancer. It's a dog song, a love song, I bless the flow. You and I all night, girl, let me know. Come on. Now you see what I'm saying?